Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. Let's have a look at the questions. You can see the questions on the screen. Recently, which of the following launched regulatory compliance portal? Let's try to understand what exactly is this portal. But before that, let's look at the answer. Let's try to understand what is this. Have a look at this. Recently, which of the following has launched regulatory compliance portal? CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, or NASSCOM, or MSME Ministry, or DPIIT. Very recently, we have discussed about DPIIT. And answer for this question is option D, that is DPIIT. And we have very recently discussed, it stands for Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Look at the points here. Why it has been launched? Look at this. The portal is to act as a bridge between the industries, citizens, and the government in minimizing the burdensome compliances. For this reason, DPIIT has launched it, right? And this is the regulatory compliance portal. Now, so let's go ahead and look at other questions. Have a look at this, please. Another important one. World Soil Day. World Soil Day is observed annually on. What is the importance of this? Let's try to understand. World Soil Day is observed annually on December 5th, 17th December, December 25th, or December 31st. Look at this. Answer is option A. And I told you many times that any particular international day or national day is observed to create some awareness and to make the people aware of the things that are happening so that we can take certain measures. So this is what we have understood. In the similar manner, if you look at the World Soil Day, this will focus attention on the importance of healthy soil and advocating for the sustainable management of soil resources. Kindly remember, with respect to the sustainable development, lot of concepts are coming up. And we know what is sustainable development. We know what is this global warming. So what is this, the so-called environmental degradation. All these things we know, and you should be updating yourself from time to time, and whenever it is appearing in the newspaper, right? And lots of changes are happening, and I want you to be very clear and thorough with all these things. Next, Meerkat radio telescope is located in. Very important one. Definitely a possible question in the examination. Meerkat radio telescope is located in South Africa, Argentina, Brazil, or China. Please remember this one. Please make a note of this one. Answer is option A. Option A, that is South Africa. So this is how it looks. So this is the image of that. We'll be moving ahead. Look at this. So this Meerkat radio telescope, this is located in northern Cape of South Africa, right? Look at this. It recently discovered two giant radio galaxies, and the galaxies were discovered under the MIGHTY survey. Look at this. The discovered galaxies are bigger than, you know what is the meaning of galaxy. You have learnt during your geography classes. These discovered galaxies are bigger than 93% of any other giants discovered before. And they were 62 times the size of the Milky Way, right? And light takes 6.5 million light years to travel from one end to the other end. Kindly see here, in any objective type of this examination, these type of questions are asked in general. So what are these telescopes, and especially with respect to the space exploration, right? So many developments are happening. So maybe that is the reason why. So you need to be very thorough with the science and technology, whatever is happening throughout the world. India is definitely important, but what is happening across the globe, that is also important for our examination point of view. Fine. Next, another important one. Every one of you are aware of this one, but look at the question. National Voters Day is celebrated on. National Voters Day is celebrated on December 17th, no. January 11th, no. January 25th. Answer is January 25th. Right? So we have discussed this one even during the earlier years also we have discussed. And to mark the foundation of Election Commission of India, National Voters Day is celebrated all over the country on January 25th every year. And this year we are celebrating, this particular day we are celebrating as National Voters Day since the year 2011. Election Commission, as you know, Election Commission is a constitutional authority that will conduct the elections, to the office of President, Vice President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies and state legislative councils. Fine. So 6 elections are conducted by that Election Commission. Look at this. I told you already that the questions from culture, they are always being this asked in the examination. So this is one related to culture. In which of the following states Mandana paintings are popular? Right? And options are Rajasthan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Some of you who belong to this state may be aware of this one. Answer is option A, that is Rajasthan. Look at this. So these are wall and floor paintings of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Mandana are drawn to protect home and earth, welcome gods into the house, and as a mark of celebrations on festive occasions. So one extra H is there. Yeah, I have taken it out. Right. Now the next one. So we already discussed about this one. America got a new president, 46th president of America, that is Mr. Joe Biden. Right? And earlier it was Donald Trump. And so many things have been which were unpopular were done by Donald Trump. And as far as the new president of America is concerned, he is trying to keep everything in a particular order. And if you look at this one, START treaty is a strategic arms treaty. So this is a treaty between America and Russia. And this is going to be extended. Even the new president of America expressed his interest to extend the existing treaty. Look at this. New START treaty was signed between America and, just now I told you, and the answer should be option B, that is Russia. Look at this. It was signed between America and Russia in the year 2010 and it entered into force in the year 2011. It was signed to reduce nuclear arm production and utilization by America and Russia. Right? Why is it there in the news? Because the American President Joe Biden recently proposed to extend new START treaty by 5 years. And what happened to the other side? The other country, Russia, also welcomed this proposal. Fine. And my dear friends, as I told you many times, that you must read the newspaper. Keep reading newspaper. Whenever you are coming across with anything new, make a point of that. For this reason, please maintain a separate notebook for current affairs. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Take very good care.